Okay guys, and welcome back to today's video. So the whole thing about grass airdrop is becoming even much clearer to me right now, and I think what you are seeing here as your own allocation is the actual allocation of your season 2 airdrop. You guys know that previously I was actually thinking that this what we are seeing right here is not the real airdrop allocation, but I'm beginning to understand that this is the actual allocation. All right, so that's really sad, but we just have to deal with it because that's the reality of all this crypto airdrop. You are never advised to put your hope on crypto airdrop because that's not going to make you rich if you are not an influencer. So it's very easy right now. Let me tell you what I discovered. So scrolling down right here on that video that I made, I show you guys I was actually talking about the network points. I was saying that the network points were actually used to calculate the network point is used to determine this value right here. Now let me show you something real quick. Scrolling down right here, let me show you. They said over here that one network point is equal to 0.0049. right now. Let me use my own account as an example. Now when I go right here to my calculator, let me go to my calculator, my bad. Okay, we have 0.0049, right, times what's my total network point. My total network point is 238.4. okay, 238.4, like this. You can see what we have right here, 1.168. all right, so over here right now, going back right here, you can see that that's almost exactly what I got right here. So there's another thing that actually made me to confirm this, which is what I saw right here on the article that they posted on Twitter. So over here they say that the distribution rewards users who participated in the grass network by sharing their bandwidth during epoch 1 to 19 of stage 2, that is the period between October 14th to June 8th. Now they said right here, reward are calculated based on each participant's participation in the grass network via the contribution of their unused bandwidth. Each participant's eligibility to receive reward is subject to grass reward program terms and conditions, blah blah blah. But what I want to point out right here is only two things. First, they made it clear that they are only going to be rewarding users who contributed their unused bandwidth. That's the first thing. And when we are talking about bandwidth, we are talking about network, and of course we are also talking about network points being used to determine your own airdrop allocation. That's the first thing I want to establish. And the second thing is that they say right here that participants reward for stage 2 will be made available in USDC, and I guess that's the reason why we have this available right here in USDC. That's the reason why this is in USDC right here. So I think that's the final allocation. There's no need for us to get confused. I'm actually making this video to actually correct my impression on the previous video. I think this is our final allocation. Now going back right now, let me show you something real quick. So they said over here that the claim is going to be available on July 22nd. all right, so in case you are seeing this right here, maybe you are thinking that it's because your app is not up to date. I've tried updating the app several times, but the app doesn't update. So I think you should wait until until July 22nd. That is when you can then update the app finally. Then you will be able to claim your airdrop. all right, so it is as simple as I've just explained it right now. So over here, a lot of you may be wanting to give up on airdrop. Yes, I think this is the right time for us to give up, because I've learned that airdrop actually pays when we are in bull market, but currently Bitcoin is moving sideways, the market is stuck, and of course nothing is really making sense in the crypto market. So if you want to take a break from crypto airdrop, I think that's not really bad. Okay, that's not really bad, because personally also I'm going to be taking a little break off crypto airdrop, though I will still be active and I'll be posting. If you are interested, you can get to join in. All right, so we are now waiting until July 22nd so that you can be able to claim our dust. This is purely dust. This is not even enough to cover your electricity bill for just one day. Okay, so right now that is up, and that's the reality of grass airdrop, and I think I'm going to be stopping on this season. I'm not ready for season 3. okay, so thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and do well to like and subscribe to the video if you haven't done that. Thank you, and I'll be talking to you on the next updates that I'll be sharing very soon.